Welcome to the Math Tutor. Today we are going to learn about linear inequations. What is the inequation? For example, we have a equation x plus y equals to 4. We have a equality symbol here. But in inequation, we'll have a symbol like greater than or lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to. Then this equation is called linear inequations. Okay, now we have a problem here. 3x plus 4 less than 16. So here how we are going to solve this inequation? We can solve like this: 3x and less than 16, and this 4 I am going to shift to the right side of the equation. It becomes 16 minus 4. So 3x is less than 16 minus 4 is 12. And x it becomes x less than 12 by 3. Here it is a product. If you go to the opposite side, it will become a division. So x is less than 4. This is how we are going to solve this inequation 3x plus 4 less than 16. Let us see one more example. 8 minus x less than or equal to 4x minus 2. Here we have to keep the x on the one side and we are going to take the numbers on the other side. So the 4x will come to the left side, minus 4x, and this x already here, minus x, less than or equal to 8 is there. I'm going to take to the opposite side, minus 8 minus 2. Understand? So minus 4x minus x becomes minus 5x less than or equal to minus 10. X less than or equal to 2. Minus minus we can cancel them. So it becomes x less than or equal to 2. For solving the linear inequations, we need to understand few rules. The first rule, we have 2x plus 3 greater than 7. 3 is a positive on the one side of this inequation, right? When it changes to the other side, the positive sign will become negative, like it will become minus 3. So the same equation will become 2x greater than 7. It's moving to the opposite side, so it becomes negative. 2x greater than 4. And the second rule we need to remember is, whenever there is a product, if the term is going to the opposite side, it will become turned into a division. So it becomes 4 divided by 2. Implies x is greater than 2. The important rule which we need to understand is, there is a negative symbol here and there is a positive sign and there is a greater than. If I'm going to remove this negative sign from here, left hand side, and I'm going to keep it onto the right hand side, this inequality symbol will reverse. Greater than become lesser than. Got it? One more example what we can see is 3y less than or equal to 15. If I am going to keep negative symbol for both of these terms, what will happen? Minus 3y, okay, becomes greater than or equal to minus 50. Okay, we can see one more example. Minus 2y less than minus 7. Now I'm going to take out the negative sign from here. Kids, now you tell me what happens to this inequality. It will become reversed, right? So less than will become greater than. What happens if we have a fraction? Suppose I have x greater than y. Now, if I made a reciprocal 1 by x and 1 by y, what happens to this inequality? It will become reversed. 1 by x less than 1 by y. Okay? It happens in other cases also. What happens for this equation? X less than or equal to y. Again, I am taking the 1 by x and 1 by y. So, this symbol will get reversed. Now we understood the various rules. We can further go into the linear equations and solve some more problems. Here we have an equation minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23. X belongs to R. X is a set of R. So how we are going to solve this? Minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x, and I am breaking this into two parts. First I will take this, and now I am going to take 3 plus 4x less than 23. Okay. Minus 1. This 3 is coming to the opposite side, so it becomes negative. Less than or equal to 4x. And here 4x is there. 3 is moving to the opposite side, so 23 minus 3 it will become. And solving now, minus 1 minus 3 becomes minus 4, less than or equal to 4x, and 4x less than 20. Further solving, minus 1 less than or equal to x, and x less than 5. So minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 5. This is how we are going to solve it. Now, how we are going to represent this on the number line? We have a number line here. 0 is the center. We have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. Now, we need to represent these numbers on the number line. Here, x is less than or equal to minus 1. Right? It can be equal to minus 1. So I'm starting from this point. Okay. I'm starting from here, and x is less than 5. So x can't be equal to 5. I can't go till 5 here. Okay. I can go till 4 and little bit till 5. But not equal to 5. So can you look here? I'm keeping a circle here. I should not draw the line till 5. I should stop before 5. This is how we are going to represent the inequation on the number. We have one more inequation here. Minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3 less than x minus 2. So we are going to divide into two separate inequations now. Minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3 less than x minus 2. Minus 5, you remember minus 3 will become positive plus 3 here. The sign will get reversed. Less than or equal to 2x and 2x minus x and 3 will become plus here 3 minus 2. Minus 2 less than or equal to 2x and here 2x minus x, right? It will become x and 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to x and x less than 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 1. Okay. And given x belongs to integers. Now you have to tell me how we are going to represent this on the graphically on the number line. So here we have 0, here we have minus 1 and 1, minus 2 and 2. The x is less than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1 will be there. I will start at minus 1, 0 and here I cannot go till x. If you remember the last example also, it is not equal to 1, it is less than. So I have to stop before 1 and this is how we are going to represent this inequation on the number line. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please message in the comments. I'll make a video of your doubt. Thank you.